Welcome back, friends! It's Mitsue here, and I've been dead for 2 fucking months. Alright, okay, so in this video, we're reviewing Cherry MX Blues for Osu. Now, before we start off the video, let's go over first what the Cherry MX Blue switches are. The blue switches are well known for their clicky and clackiness of a switch. Now just listen to this. Alright, now as you can see also from this picture, it literally is how to make helicopter sounds at home. Now this keyboard I'm currently using uses Otemu Blue switches. Even our good friend Mirai doesn't know what the fuck Otemu switches are.
Otemu Blue? What?
What the fuck? But okay, the Otemu Blue switches are very similar to the Cherry MX Blue switches. Basically, all blues are basically the same, but with small differences such as the popularity of the manufacturer or the actuation force, and just stuff like that. Now, here's a side-by-side comparison, as you can see on the screen, of the statistics of both types of switches. I've never actually tried using the Cherry MX Blue switches for Osu, so like, let's see how this feels. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Holy shit, this keyboard is loud. This blue keyboard to res, they actually need a little bit more force to activate. So I guess I'm not very used to that. Fuck. Please, no! Okay, let's just stop there. The blue switches are very loud while playing, and holy hell, if you do not have noise-canceling headphones, they're basically ear rape. Well, some people like that though. Now, I'd say one bad part of the Cherry MX Blues for Osu is at the reset point of the switch. You kind of have to lift the entire switch before clicking again because of the tactile bump in the switch that gives out the click. Now, when compared to probably the most used mechanical switch for Osu, the Cherry MX Reds, the Reds are linear and there's no tactile bump. The Reds are technically faster as they just go straight up and down, whereas the Blues have a bump. However, the bump can help for gameplay as you can actually hear the click and feel when you have activated the switch or click the switch. Now, in conclusion, my favorite switches... Oh shit, I just dropped my switch. In conclusion, my favorite switch to play Osu would be the Cherry MX Reds. It is light, linear, and it just feels nice to me for repetitive clicking. While compared to Blues, they're quite loud and they require slightly more force to click too. However, my opinion doesn't mean that you shouldn't get Blues for your gameplay. To be honest, key switches are very much of personal preference. Some people online might find the Cherry MX Blues for Osu better for their personal use than the Reds, and some people even might like the Cherry MX Browns. There really isn't a best switch for Osu, as switches will not affect your skill. All you are doing with the switch is clicking. It's just a matter of how much time you'll get used to using that switch while playing Osu. Anyways, to wrap this up, if you don't know what switches to play Osu with, I recommend you either getting a keypad or a switch tester to make sure to feel out how each switch feels to you and if you like that sound for the repetitive clicking for Osu, like streaming otherwise. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like the video. Love y'all!